Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet flower vase design is a charming handcrafted cover or cozy made using crochet techniques to decorate or even create a vase, like a structure that holds real or artificial flowers. It fits beautifully within dramatic, country corners and handmade home aesthetics, adding warmth, texture, and vintage elegance to your decor. Here are practical, creative, and style-forward tips for making or using crochet flower vase designs, whether you are a beginner or already crafty. These tips blend functionality, aesthetic beauty, and vintage charm, perfect to your dramatic or country cottage decoration. First, beginner tips. Start with a mason jar or bottle. Use common jars like temp jars or bottles to crochet around. They are easy to work with and give instant structure. Next, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn works best, sturdy, bold shape, and has a soft, natural texture. Avoid fluffy or strassy yarn that clumps or loses this definition. Use simple stitches first. Try single crochet, double crochet, or silk stitch patterns. As you get confident, move to lacy or open work designs. Mature as you go. Keep trying your cozy on the vase as you crochet to ensure a snug, elegant fit. Style and aesthetic tips. Use soft, romantic colors. Go for pastels like blush, mint, ivory. Earthy tones like moss green, autumnal, or faded florals. This enhances the vintage plus handmade plus warm feeling. Add crochet flowers or embellishments. Add a small crocheted roses, daisies, leaves, or bows to the vase while they add charm. Try a lacy overlay look. Use lace or fillet crochet to create a see-through lacy effect over glass. Looks magical with tea lights inside for soft glow. Mix and match patterns. Try different patterns for different chairs and group them together for a beautiful clustered display. Play with ribbons, buttons, and beads. Add a vintage ribbon bow or a pearly button for a dramatic finish. Decoration plus use tips. Display in groups. Add in 3 plus crochet covered jars for varying heights on a tray or shelf for visual interest. Insert box or jarred flowers. Works great with handmade crochet buckets or real jarred florals like lavender, baby's breath, or eucalyptus. Use a gift vases. Fill a crocheted vase with flowers or wrapped threads. Great for birthdays, Mother's Days, or tea party favors. Seasonal design. Make a winter-themed one with white yarn and red berries. or a fall version with burnt orange and acorns. Functional tips: use strass or moth post for shape. If making a freestanding vase, stiffen it with chelated moth post or liquid strass so it holds upright on its own. Secure your work. Add a tiny bit of double-sided tape or drawstring to keep the crochet cover from slipping off smooth glass. Bonus tip: add a dolly base or coaster. Crochet a matching dolly or round coaster under the vase for a layered cohesive look, especially pretty on tables or mantels. Next, design plus detailing tips. Use very-scented yarn for a soft gradient look. Yarn that shifts color gives a watercolor style effect, perfect for vintage floral or faded farmhouse charm. Incorporate puff or popcorn stitches. These add dimension and texture, beautiful when combined with flat lacework or floral themes. Top-edged matter. Add a scalloped picot or ruffled gem at the top of the vase cover for an gradient feminine detail. Crochet a drawstring cup or tie, thread or crochet chain or ribbon through the top to cinch the cozy tight, adds both function and charm. Mix fabric and crochet. Combine crochet lace with stripes. A vintage fabric for a patchwork meets fiber art vibe. Add a waterproof insert. Use a plastic cup or recycled bottle inside if your crochet vase holds real water-based flowers. Use crochet as a hanging vase strap. Crochet the pouch with a flat block and loop to hang on hooks or knobs. Fill with chat lavender or fox blooms. Turn it into a candle holder. Put a small tea light or LED candle inside a covered jar. The crochet acts like a lace lantern, especially beautiful with open stitches. Crochet around all tins or can. Repurpose soap or coffee cans with a fitted crochet cozy, eco-friendly and stylish for flowers, pencils or utensils. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.